Okay, Math 7. We are moving on to section 1.9. So our objective today, our goal, is to be able to determine whether a number is a solution of an equation. So the one thing I want you to remember about being a solution makes an equation true. That's a big thing there, okay? So, a couple examples here. It says determine whether the given value of the variable is a solution. So they give you the equation, and they want you to know, does k equal 11 make it true? Well, let's see. So I have 18 equals, k is 11. 11 minus 7. So 11 minus 7 gives me 4. Does 18 equal 4? No. K equals 11 is not a solution. Okay, so let's try the next one. This is W plus 17 equals 23. So I'm going to put the 6 in for W. 6 plus 17, does that give you 23? Yes. So yes, W equals 6 is a solution. So that's the important thing, is that you know that if the variable makes the equation true or not. So it says write an equation to determine whether the number is a solution. So Tyler wants to buy a new skateboard. He has $57, which is 38 less than he needs. Does the skateboard cost 90 or 95? So the thing is it wants us to write an equation. Okay, do we know how much the skateboard costs? No. So we have the cost, and we know that he has 57, which is 38 less than he needs. So if we have a couple different ways to do this, I like to do it in words first. So the 38 is less than he needs, so, or $38 less than he needs. So the cost minus 38 is, so this is what he needs, equals what he has. So what he needs is 38 less than what he has, okay? So then to solve this equation, we can go backwards. So is it going to be 90 or 95 minus 38? That gives us 57. So let's check. 90 minus 38, does it equal 57? Well, you guys can probably do some simple math here. So it gives me 52, so no. So let's try 95. So if I have 95 minus 38, and that looks like it's going to be right. So what is the original cost of that skateboard? $95. So the first thing is you have to have an equation, and then you check. Okay. So the next part are deriving real-world situation from an equation. So they give you an equation, and then they give you two situations, and you have to figure out which one matches. So we have 3 times a variable plus 4 equals 22. So Nathan spent $22 at the gas station. He paid $4 per gallon for gas and $3 for snacks. How many gallons of gas did he buy? Second, he spent $22 at the gas station. He paid $3 per gallon of gas and $4 for snacks. How many gallons of gas did Nathan buy? So the one thing is that this is a per gallon cost. So it's going to be influenced by how many gallons we bought. The snacks, though, doesn't matter how many gallons of gas you bought. No. So if you look at your equation up here, what do you think X stands for? What don't we know? We don't know how many gallons. So if X is the number of gallons, what do you think it is? Did we pay $4 or $3 a gallon? Well, look here. The multiplier, the coefficient, is 3. So it was $3 times how many gallons, and then plus 4 for the snacks, and the total was 22. So what I like to do is I really like to take my equation and then kind of write what each one means. So situation 2 is our answer. Okay, the next one, it says, which situation best matches 5 plus 2x equals 13? So admission to the county fair costs $5 and rides cost $2 each. Mike spent a total of 13. How many rides did he go on? So again, what don't we know? The number of rides. So that's our unknown, that's our variable. Number of rides. Okay. So the number of rides is going to change, and the rides either cost $2 each or $5 each. So what did our equation say? Well, it has a 5 plus 2 times the number of rides. So what number would you take to find out the total cost? Well, the cost would be $2 per however many rides he went on, and then we have to add the $5, which is the entry. The admission is $5. So then we know this is the admission. Then this is the number of rides. This is the cost per ride. And this is the total cost, or total spent. So then that confirms that this situation matches the equation that they gave us. So it's kind of tricky, but the more you can explain this and write this out, the easier it is. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions.